Fire, fire, impress and blessing. Bless. I'm enjoying ourselves. We enjoy ourselves, right, Impress?
In the stormy weather, so why do we hold on, stuck in the stormy weather?
Kind of chilly, yeah, but I just love the weather. I love the weather. The weather is weathering in the Caribbean here, yeah. So this morning we're headed to call it waterfront, do somewhere so it's nearer to waterfront than anything else. It's heaps. So we're out here. So after I go to my bed late last night, I wake up early this morning. Yeah. Belly feel away. I'm hungry. Yeah, some cyclists here. I guess they're training. I don't know what they're training for. Yeah, like some cyclists gonna have a vehicle driving with them. Yeah. So you know, peeps, as I say, it's a Sunday morning and we're out here bright and early. Yeah. Out here without no fear. Yeah. Have to do what we have to do to make the cheddar. Yes, peeps. So they'll stick and stay and not go nowhere. And as I say, Empress is on the island. Yeah. Empress on the channels on the island, so she's there. So I bring her about and about. Anywhere she want, and not anywhere she want go. Show her in and around Cayman. Yeah, make sure fuljoy her vacation in a Cayman. You see it? Yeah. So we see where we can go, where we can't go. So anyway, peeps, no stick and stay and don't go nowhere. Just tune into your channel. And thank you all for your love and your support. I really appreciate it, you know. Yeah. And this is the Caribbean, Grand Cayman, cool in the Sunday morning here. This temperature is so cool and the scenery is spectacular. So just stay tuned and don't go away. Soon check it back. So today we're here, going to the beach, and Mama is here.
Yes.
Yes.
Hot girl.
Hot girl, Mama. Yeah. Not even him person hot like Mama.
Beach day, beach day.
Yeah, that's how DJ guy said. Beach day, beach day.
Beach day. We're outside.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're heading to Mr. I think I got Summit Cove.
Summit Cove.
Yeah.
Summit Pool?
Because Summit Cove have more shade.
Yeah.
Yeah, more than the rest.
I don't know if it changed up.
No man. Yeah, probably it's changed from the time you know it.
Yes.
Yeah, but yeah.
When we come over here, the mosquito kill cow.
When you come over when back in them days, eh?
80s,
Mosquito kill cow.
Go up in them woods and
Yeah, that's what I hear too. People say.
snake,
Snake.
bullfrog.
Mm.
Oh Jesus. And I normally we go party and when we come back in the folk and we not come back till everything done.
Yeah.
When we go party. And in that time they never have no they did have calypso.
Yeah.
Ban.
Okay, yeah.
No, they have said Jamaican have the carry culture coming.
Yeah.
The music, reggae music.
Yeah.
No, that in those days was calypso and mentorness up play, the dance.
Yeah.
Right. And when we come home the night, we couldn't go home. Frog cover the whole house, the front. We have to go back and she have to go back to her office and get some bleach and go spray them.
Yeah.
We could have get to go in the man.
So when you say snake, I mean, was it a big snake or a small snake?
They have the big one and they have the small one.
Because now I realize you might see 1 and 2 snakes, but them small.
Them big.
One time I was see a real big snake here, that's a year, long time. But I say probably a container come off. But you know it's a big snake here, basically come on.
You remember?
Especially up Savannah.
I'm gonna cut you out. Like I say that. I said don't block me. I said don't block me.
But we're afraid of them. I don't like snakes, so none of Jamaicans afraid of them.
No, you can know me.
You afraid of them?
Yes.
Eh?
I mean,
So you have iguanas back them time then?
Yes.
What if a iguana? Oh, well no, you don't have so much iguana because they kill them out.
Yes.
The green one them.
Yes.
Because the green one them tend to let me say I kill the indigenous one them, they blow on them.
Right.
Yeah, then so they want the green one them I kill them. So they might get rid of the green one them.
Right.
Because now the government pay to get rid of them. So if they kill them big one or so, it might go to up to $5 for one.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah,
And then
man.
we have
Turtle.
turtle farm here.
Yeah, so that turtle farm
I
see
don't
me.
know if they still
But I
have
guess it might different now.
Yes.
Yeah, you know we can go around there.
Huh?
Yeah, we can go around there.
And
Yeah.
have the seabird
Yeah, can go around there.
with the big white shark.
Mm-hmm.
You going out was Friday and to pay one?
There's certain time where they don't kill the turtle.
going to Cove.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's certain time when they don't kill them.
Oh.
That is a problem.
Okay. Well, there's a turtle that came on national meat.
I believe it's when they having babies also.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's why they do.
Yeah, when they're hatching.
Yes.
Yeah. So we get the ice here.
I said okay.
Yeah, you can get ice here. So we are at the gas station.
Went for the ice. I didn't even know.
You know me a park right there, so.
Went for ice.
Ice.
Yeah. Hang up on the trunk for us.
So we are at the beach.
Beach day. Beach day. Beach day.
We're at the
Gonna
beach, peeps.
wine, dance.
You gonna wine and dance?
Yeah.
Oh.
Play some music.
Yeah, but you're gonna turn the music down.
I know. I just saw it.
Yeah, no loud music. But people, alright, you see every year during Easter, people camp on the beach. Like for the whole weekend.
For real?
Every beach you go, people camp. Every Easter. And especially and then play
So
loud
every
music.
beach you can't play no loud music?
People play but not that loud.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just play,
But you want to say no loud music because people live.
Oh.
Yeah, because people live here. Let's walk here and use the pedestrian crossing. So yes peeps, we are at the beach. So it's beach day. It's another beach day peeps. So we're at Smith Cove. Yeah. And you know it's a Sunday. So enough people out here, girl them out here enough to. Hey, trouble. And mama out here enjoy the beach too. Yeah. And we're out here with a little cooler with some Corona. Yeah. We're out here with some Corona peeps. Oh, I forgot my battery. So I have
Why
one
you
battery.
not going to water?
Huh? Of course, I'm gonna put my foot in the water. Yeah. I didn't plan on swimming, but you know, my mama, I always stand by mama. Yeah.
You stand by mama?
Yeah. Me and mama want me going inside the water. So we're gonna cross the pedestrian crossing, peeps. Yes. So as you see, a lot of people on the beach. So it's beach day. And a lot of people out here today, peeps. Tired already? Let me see which side we're gonna go. We'll go right underneath the tree there.
On that tree?
Yeah, we'll go right underneath there, so. So yes, peeps, this is Smith Cove Beach. You like it over here? We can choose this side or all the way over there. But stone, what is so full of stone still?
We don't have a table.
Huh?
You see a table?
If we say a table,
Or we gotta tell him to get up. He's sleeping on the table.
that's
We
what
need it, bro.
That's
Get
what I'm
up.
saying. Why is he sleeping on the table? Wow. I guess we gotta utilize here, so. Yeah, I will go right to the stone there. Walk shot him then right to the stone there, so there. Yeah. Let's. Yeah. Yeah, we got a table here. We got a table here. This is God's table. God made this table for us. So we got some Corona. And we're gonna throw some ice in it. Anyway, peeps, you can stay on the
This so looks unreal.
Yeah, let me tell you, say look Photoshop. The background is so spectacular. Yeah. Put it on Instagram with a likes again. I have Instagram account, right? What's the dance now? What's the dance now? What's the dance? Come on, bust the dance, don't be shy. Hey. Hey. Hey, watch mama dance now. Dance show my mama. Hey. You can dance, man. Impressing enough to dance. Remember where you go? But say Empress is not who she says she is, man. Empress shy.
Go ahead, I'll call her. Come on, Greg.
Yeah. Hey.
What are you doing? Oh, you right here. One, two, three.
You're great out, man. Just like me, I could swim one time. I'm a great out. Yeah. Sure if it is done, yeah, mama. Sure or it is done. She don't understand if you do it. So yes, please, we are at the beach today. The beach day, beach day. Beach day, beach day. So around here, as you see, enough people there beach to beach. If you want. No, it's on me, not you.
Okay.
Yeah.
We outside on the beach.
Outside.
Enjoying ourselves.
Yeah.
Enjoying. Cayman Island.
In Cayman Island.
Cayman
Say it
Island.
again, I like what you say. Say it.
In Cayman Island.
Cayman Island. Give me the wine there again. Hey. Yeah, the wine there for record. You have to up the wine the last few years. Mama. Hey. The thing with this music, I can always play another music over it so you don't sound that loud. As long as I don't hit a low on a play, yeah, then they don't get copyright fee.
And you see my tattoo? What's in that?
What's a tattoo saying?
No.
It's a tattoo?
Yeah.
Why is it so bright?
It's a bright color.
It's a dragon or something? What's that?
No.
Butterfly?
Butterfly.
The butterfly?
Butterfly.
It's bright. Oh, it's
Fake, it's not real.
not real.
No.
Lie. Because I've never seen a tattoo that bright with so much color. Hey. There's a hot girl. She come right out. You know, see, as Empress, I should come out, the sun come out. And it was a dull day. There's people out here, a lot of people on the beach. We got Filipino and stuff like that. Yeah. Enough people out here on the beach. It's not really well heap. Because this beach have less people. But it is more nicer. You like the beach? Or you liking it?
I'm loving it.
You're loving it?
I love it.
Yeah. And they have whole heap more beach. Majority of the beach here, 98% or 99% public beach. You don't have to pay. Yeah.
You gotta take a picture of me and
Beach day, beach day, beach day. So you say you're a swimmer. Ah. Yeah, well, the water feels so nice.
oh my God, it feels so nice.
Yeah.
It feels so good.
Yeah. So when you go for a swim, you can take this video. You're going for a
Get
swim?
wet?
Yeah?
You're not gonna get wet?
No, it's okay. It's waterproof.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm on the beach, y'all, in Cayman Island. Oh my God, the water is so beautiful. This is, oh my God, this is the life that you live. This is the life that God enjoyed for us to do. We have to enjoy this time and dip in the water, dip all the badness, and keep all the positive, you know? That's one thing I can say, life is so short. If you could travel, just travel over the world, see different people, eat different things, you know? Just be blessed to know that, you know, because sometimes some people are worse than you. But swimming and doing all this things and living, just living, you know? It's good just to live life. And look at this eye. Look at this. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. Oh my God, this island is so pretty. The water is pretty. The people is beautiful and kind. Stay tuned. I'm about to swim. Swim, 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 swim. On now. Yes. Beach day, beach day, fire, fire, empress and blessing. Bless. I'm enjoying ourselves. We enjoy ourselves, right, Empress?
Yes, we are. And the sweet, sweet Cayman Island.
Yes, say it again. Say it again. Oh. Oh. Ow. Ow. She gave a teeth or something.
So you're not going out?
Yeah, I'm going out.
So go for
I'm
a swim.
allergic to that area.
What? Oh, they have the.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to go around here, so you can go around here. So.
Over there too.
What's over there? You late to what?
I didn't want to get my hair wet.
Oh, she don't want to get her hair wet.
Yeah, too much. I clean to go wash here now.
Yeah, I understand. You said I come here early. Yeah. You can take it with you. Here it is. Take it in the water.
Oh, yeah, you said. Okay.
Yeah, it's waterproof. Let me show it.
No, Troy.
And you just put it in your hand. You say you're a big shark. I don't want to get my pants wet.
Oh, okay.
Even though part of it is already wet.
I know. It's okay.
Yeah. Talk to them. Tell them you're a superstar and you put it over your hand. Yeah.
He said I'm a superstar. I'm a superstar. Fire, fire, fire. See fire behind me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then like this. Yeah.
Fire, fire, fire. But I gotta be careful because there's a lot of rock. And I did, yeah. So.
Around this side, there's another rock.
Around this side?
Yeah,
We gotta go around?
Yeah.
Let me go around then.
Yeah.
Cause there's a lot of rocks here. Hold on, stay tuned, y'all. We'll be back. Okay. How you stop it? But I'm gonna need your help to take me out there. Cause the rock.
Which rock?
Right here, it's rock.
How far is it?
I don't even know. Oh. Huh? No, it's in the water.
Which one? Right there?
Inside, yeah. Let's see. Water nice and clean water.
Let's say a quickie. I see me see them in the video, cut the video shot because we did that shot and have so much fun. Yeah, but I forgot to make a video. I'm again because you know me I say when I meet nice, good people. Yeah, all the vibes.
Just enjoy yourself.
Yes, I enjoy yourself. And I realize that I blog at me a YouTuber. So yes, peeps, so go pick up Ernell. So Ernell there, clean out, you know.
Man, I'm there.
You know, say Ernell must got a girl today.
Real way.
Yeah.
Real way.
You not even have to look a girl. A girl I go look him.
Real way.
Yeah. So there, so I go back around the beach. Empress and their beach, same way. We're in Cement Cove. So we're on our way heading back towards the beach. Alright, about now, everybody drive slow. We are below the speed limit. 20. Oh. So yes, peeps, welcome back to the channel. It's a boy, All the Fire 777. And you know it's a vibe. Yeah. Cause you know when anybody come around me have a full joy themselves to the fullest. You get me I say? Yeah. Anybody come around me have a full joy themselves to the fullest, that me say. Yeah. So when you come a Grand Cayman, we take you around. Yeah. No charge either. Cause we not do no tour service or nothing. So one things that we are do no tour service, no with us. You get me I say?
Yeah, I get the best VIP treatment.
Yes, yeah right, VIP treatment.
No joke.
Yeah, I want some fish up and I get some fish, I get no fish. And I get no fish, peeps. Yeah, I want to cook some fish, but no fish, so I guess we have to go hard or something. So we're there on South Sun Road, peeps. Heading to Smith Cove Beach. And we soon reach. Yeah. And it's a Sunday. And tomorrow a Monday, no? Yes, yes. So you know tomorrow, later I will go live again. It's a Sunday night. Every Sunday night I will try to go live every Sunday night. Get to know my subscriber, and my subscriber and get to know me. Yeah. Cause nothing they know me. So get to know me. Nothing they know me, just get to know me. Done back man. And done back on park already. So we're there around at the beach, peeps. And it's a Sunday, you know, it's a vibe. And if I get back and park, but you know, so I pass. I could get parking. Hopefully.
Like this?
Yeah.
So you can't wheel around no way there?
Yeah, man. Yes, I park. Yes, I did park, but yes, I got full up. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. Over here, we have one table. A makeshift table, you know. And I'm realizing everybody gonna have a corner. So we come over the table and full up and sitting. So yes, peeps, we reach back at Smith Cove. Yeah, and it's a vibe on the beach on a Sunday. We're not that crowded, but it's crowded. Yeah. So welcome back to your boy, All577 channel. Yeah. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend. That is it. Our baptism are going. Yeah. Because send over baptism around here now. Yeah. But for baptism going around, man. But normally they shouldn't do it, so I don't know why they not do it. So this time. Yeah, people they are baptized people. Yeah.
Good, yeah. Oh, we are Chinese today.
So mama,
Oh,
let me carry a young boy for you, yeah?
this is mine, this one. Let me see your man.
Yeah, me carry a young boy for you. Me carry a young boy, we go for a young boy. This is Ernell. This is Ernell.
Ernell, you come on. You're bigger than come on. Ernell, good. Huh?
See my mama, young boy.
Yes.
I show the second person answer from morning. If me a rub.
Rub it up.
I know, somebody say me look brown. I true brown, to Empress.
You look the same, only younger.
Say me look like me a rub.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I guess that's something I rub off for me.
You look like 20.
I brown and rub off for me.
I'm going in there about for you, huh?
The brown and rub off for me. You see brownie?
They're right down. We right close,
Yeah?
we close to them. We very close to them.
Yeah.
We like two stop that. We're close.
Jamaican.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's peeps there, baptism, yeah. They don't baptize people.
You're not cooking? Oh, stop. Fire, this the chef.
Chef?
Yeah. I tell you the chef. She the chef.
Okay, so she hotter than you?
She hot, she more hotter than me.
Okay.
I could cook. But she fire.
Yeah.
She's fire. She married to a Jamaican.
Oh, she married a Jamaican?
Yeah.
This is a Jamaican man are the best.
You know a Jamaican man the best. She said not for long. I tell me I had to bed it off.
I'm a virgin.
It's It's a tape.
I'm a virgin. I'm virgin. Huh?
What are you gonna do for him, Sully?
I'm virgin him.
I'm virgin him. What you say about that fire?
I'm a virgin, she not broke me out.
Oh yeah, say. You still
Mama, easy. I love to have me test it.
He said, but even the picture, when I see the picture, he's like, okay, that's why the picture does imagine. He didn't get touch that.
Ernelia, come out.
Yeah, Erden, come right
Yeah,
out.
man, him beard and come on.
You want to take some pictures already? Put on your DP and you know when they say they are giving a bit money.
You say I'm trouble?
Yeah,
I hope.
Yeah, you're trouble.
Right there.
If you want, I'm virgin. Water. It's salt.
Mine and salt.
Water is salt.
Mine and salt. Mine and salt. Come on! It's a tip. Oh, what is that number nose?
You want to get that trouble? Was it me? I was sitting right here and I did. Mama, just a minute.
Listen, you defile the man.
Alright, wait.
Why?
Mama, don't do nothing, Mama. I was sitting here. A she don't, Mama?
Yeah.
Alright.
Can you be your granddaughter class?
Here? Mama said me to do nothing.
Can't do nothing.
Alright. I was sitting here and she had trouble me.
Yes, what is we're on there.
See, this lady here is trouble. Trouble.
No problem, baby.
She want to get me in trouble.
You can handle this. You can handle this. Right,
I didn't do anything. I was
No, you didn't say baby.
I was sitting. Alright, here.
To his girlfriend, he's good. He ain't do nothing. No matter what. But I just wanna.
Trouble. Sully?
You have to live a little, right? You have to live. You can't be bored. You gotta Can I say if he looks, he's kind of in trouble.
The one and only. One impress out of two.
I'm not trouble.
Yeah, trouble.
Why?
Yeah, trouble.
I'm double trouble. Double blasted.
Huh? Oh boy.
Like, you know what?
I'm innocent. What did I do right now? I haven't done anything. What did I do?
I want to touch you. I respect you. I'm a respectful woman. Right there. Tell Mama good night. Yes, Bernie. Tell you here, all right? Tell Mama good night. Come to bed.
So we are heading home from the beach. So you enjoy yourself, Mama?
Yeah, man, I enjoy myself.
Okay. So you'll come back to Cayman soon?
Oh yes.
Granny said if she had a year ticket, she's
19
staying.
years we live here.
You live here for 19 years?
Yeah.
Okay.
The lady what you see me, Marley.
Yeah. Yeah.
Was working hard.
Oh.
After those 2 kids.
Yeah.
The boy and the girl.
Yeah.
Oh, you
They
ain't
come there are baby.
Okay.
The girl married in a Milan and she 18 now. I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it great tradition.
Oh. So you enjoy yourself?
I love it.
You love it?
Love it. Love
Okay.
it. I had a beautiful time. Beautiful.
So Ernest, how you love the vibes?
Huh?
How you love the vibes?
Good. Vibes good.
Good vibe, right?
Vibes good.
Nice music.
Real
drinks.
vibes.
Good
Okay.
people.
Real vibes.
Good vibes.
When I run me, I talk about real vibes. Yeah, real vibes rubbing on.
Mama said she's coming up with tonight.
Yes, please, we're heading home. So what are you gonna get for dinner? Eh? I got it covered.
There's 2 fish.
So we should not think about it.
Okay.
Covered.
I got it covered.
He been taking good care of us. Like I said, it's very good.
Yeah, he's taking it.
Very cute. Wow.
I'm not feeling confident tonight about the dinner.
What?
I don't
For
think we're
real?
gonna have dinner tonight.
We're not gonna have dinner tonight.
If you're not, we're not gonna have dinner tonight? Eh?
Oh no.
So what gonna happen?
I don't know. You said we
And mama there, your mama?
Yeah,
She said she not feel so we're gonna get dinner, mama.
Oh.
Then how we're gonna eat? You know hungry, mama?
We're gonna eat each other.
So what we're gonna eat? We eat each other.
Cannibal style.
Yeah, exactly. Why? Yeah, why? Yeah, but we're gonna eat each other.
Why?
What kind of talking that? No, sir, this serious. I'm glad it's a tape.
That's an area.
It's a tip.
it's on the menu.
I want to know mama know everything we are going. No, sir.
Mama said she coming out with us tonight.
Mama far up to date to do our go on on social media.
Oh, you know.
She
No.
done WhatsApp on every damn thing.
Anyway, see Alice Night on me.
All this night. Allah, yeah.
Look on Facebook.
Instagram, TikTok.
Right.
Mama says she have Instagram, TikTok.
Everything.
No. Empress, mama make it like you not try.
Mama have everything.
She outside.
No,
Outside
sir.
enjoying
This
herself.
is serious,
Next month,
babe.
Mama birthday.
When mama birthday?
Next
Yeah,
month.
Next month?
The 12th.
The 12th of February.
Yeah.
Okay, so what you doing for your birthday?
Well, I don't know yet.
Now where you going? Where the party is at?
We're not going out. We just have the party in the
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, you said Stone Love, I met you media.
Yes.
What you mean? Stone Love. I love your mother, Empress.
You can keep her.
You can keep her. Shall I give her, mama?
Why you have her? Why you giving me a me?
Like seriously, Empress? No, Empress. I said you can keep her.
Yeah, you could keep her.
I have her since the day I was born, so now it's time to
She ain't selfish,
yeah,
right?
pass her on.
Pass her on. Okay, you're not being selfish.
No,
Yes. That's what I say.
You can enjoy her.
Enjoy her. Okay. Your mama can enjoy you.
They own, yeah.
Yeah, Cayman full of fall. You know last time Ernest?
Paula Beach.
Yeah, you see Fall Beach.
Paula, you never see them.
Yeah.
I go
They
there,
own,
start
they own.
It's the one that
Last
mama and find the two babies.
yeah. Last time we got a supermarket and after 9, if all them mess up the car. No, if all they walk down the parking lot. Trust me, in Jamaica fall up and roast long time.
Earlier than we are man in time.
Yeah.
As you can bust it away.
Everywhere you go, you see Cayman fall. There should be a national bird for Cayman.
Actually.
Yeah. Everywhere you go, you see them. Cayman national bird. I mean, everywhere you can see them. Up on the field, people are play football. Then they on the field, see them too. So one there, see 3, 4 down there. So everywhere you can Cayman, you can see them. Trust me, them fall are historical. And different, man.
Watch them over
Yeah, them over I feel everywhere you go you can see them. If you go to airport you see them. No, these falls are, trust me, them falls are different. Them falls are different. I've never seen a fall like them yet. First time I stood in the parking lot after 10 hours. I'm surprised in the supermarket open in the parking lot. And I said, no sir. No, them falls are different man. Yeah, so we're heading home. And then what we're gonna do after we go home? Food in there for eat? Food in there for eat? We're gonna get us something. There's no food there? How comes? The one we're gonna eat? Okay. I already cook for you guys. Yeah. In my imagination.
We need food.
So mama more up to date now. Mama know what I go on. Yeah, mama? We are going to eat, huh? Tell them we are going to eat.
We want to eat.
What we gonna...
Some peas, some plantain, and fish. What? Yes.
So, oh, mama going to eat, you know, you don't Empress? Me not get that. Shit.
You stay there. You're gonna see.
Alright. Yeah, mama said, oh.
You're gonna see.
Yeah, alright, alright.
You got surprise.
Yeah.
Fire.
So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. Hey, mama, what you say?
Fire on the wire. Fire. That's the calypso.
It don't get any better than this, peeps. Stick and stay. We're not making know we'll leave it. So yes, peeps, reach home now. I'm having dinner. Yeah. So Empress then getting wash off and thing. And so Ernie runner so. Plus so many any video. Yes, so Ernie runner so. Ernie there. So we get ready because Sunday for live. So Ernie run well clean. So Ernie. Yeah. From foot. Claps from foot. Yeah. Claps from foot. Man clean. And big chain around neck. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man rich. Yes. This is Uncle Donald. This is Uncle Donald's son.
Rich.
Yeah.
Rich alive.
Yeah, him near rich.
I'm rich and not talk, you know? No joke.
So yes, peeps, we there enjoy some food. See mama over there up on phone. Yeah. So yes, peeps, thank you all for watching and liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing. So yeah, thank you. Really appreciate you watching and thing, you know. So until next video, big up on yourself. One fire, all of fire. Love what you do what you love, and do it to your best ability. Peace out.